Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, let us solve this problem. Practice problem 3.6. Using mesh analysis, find I naught in the circuit of figure 3.1. Here you see that right I3 is equal to I naught. That's the same current. Okay, right here I3 is equal to I naught. Okay, yeah, I will put one box to it. Yeah, right. And then let us apply KVL at loop I naught. Okay, yeah, I will slightly move this above up. Yeah, guys, apply KVL at loop I naught. Okay, we know that the Kirchhoff voltage law states that the algebraic sum of voltages around a closed loop is equal to 0. Here it 6 I naught plus 8 I naught minus I 2. Here it is minus because of it in the opposite direction, or you can simply consider this as the which loop you are considering to apply the KVL. That loop current will be the positive and the other loop current will be the negative. Okay, and then plus 4 bracket of I naught minus I1 is equal to 0. Okay, and then 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, I naught minus 4 I1 minus 8 I2 is equal to 0. Let us consider this as equation 1. Okay, and then apply KVL at loop I1. Yeah, right. Summation V is equal to 0. Here it's minus 16 because the minus comes first, and then plus 4 I1 minus I naught, and then plus 2 I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. Yeah, right? Yeah, guys, let's simplify this. Minus 16 plus 4 I1 plus 2 I1, 6 I1, and then minus 4 I naught, and then minus 2 I2 is equal to 0. Let us move 6 I1 minus 4 I naught minus 2 I2 to this side. That will become 4 I naught minus 6 I1, and then it is plus 2 I2 is equal to minus 16. Let us consider this as equation 2. Okay. Yeah, guys, then apply KVL at loop I2. Okay. Here apply KVL at loop I2. Okay. We know that the Kirchhoff voltage law states that the summation of voltages around a closed loop is equal to 0, right? And here, move this above, it is minus 10 I naught, yeah, right? Minus 10 I naught, and then plus 2 I2 minus I1, okay? 2 I2 minus I1, and then plus that is 8 I2 minus I naught, okay? 8 I2 minus I naught is equal to 0. Yeah. Let's simplify this. Minus 10 I naught, and then plus 2 I2 plus 8 I2, that is equal to plus 10 I2. Okay, and here it is minus 2 I1, and here it is minus 8 I naught is equal to 0. That minus 18 I naught minus 2 I1, and then plus 10 I2 is equal to 0. Let us consider this as equation 3. Let us write equation 1, 2, 3 here. That's it. 18 I naught minus 4 I1 minus 8 I2 is equal to 0. And here 4 I naught minus 6 I1 plus 2 I2 is equal to minus 16. And then the third equation is minus 18 I naught minus 2 I1 plus 10 I2 is equal to 0. This one is equation 3. Let us solve this equation. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you will open the calculator. Click on more setup. Click on equation that is fine. It is in the form of ANX plus BNY plus ENZ is equal to DN. So 18 minus 4 minus 8 and then 0. Here 4 minus 6 2 minus 16 equals and then minus 18 equals and then minus 2 and then 10 equals and then 0 equals. Here the I naught is minus 4. I am write it here. I naught is equal to minus 4 amps. Then I1 is equal to, click on the calculator, then click on equal. I1 equal to minus 2.5714 amps minus 2.5714 amps. Then I2 equal, then click on the calculator here and again click on equals. I2 equal to minus 7.7142 amps, and our aim is to find the I naught, right? I naught is equal to minus 4 amps. Okay. Yeah, I hope you understand how I solve this problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will slightly move this above. Here, our aim is to find the I naught, right? Yeah, we have find the I naught. I will slightly move this above. You can clearly see how I solve this complete problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys.